Have you ever made a really disgusting hard-boiled egg? It's got that green ring around it and you have to give the yolk to the dog. That is never going to happen again once I show you how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg with one of my favorite kitchen doohickeys.
The Wonder Diner.
Sous Vide, or as I like to pronounce it, Sous Vide, which is French for water heating kitchen gadget. This is a sous vide thingamabob. What it does is it heats water to whatever temperature I put on this little interface, and it keeps it at that temperature for as long as I want it to. You can cook stuff in here for like 2 days. Usually this device is used to cook protein. You vacuum seal it, you put in your chicken, your fish, your steak, you cook it until it's pasteurized, and then it comes out perfect every single time. We're gonna start easy on the sous vide here. We're not even gonna have to weigh it down or vacuum seal it. We're just gonna cook the eggs. The kitchen gadget thingy goes into the bucket. And you tighten it up, and then you fill the bucket. You put the water in here, you let it heat up, and then once it's at the right temperature, you stick in your eggs, you wait 20 minutes, and then you put it into an ice bath to stop the cooking process, and that's it, you're done. So let's see how these eggs turn out. Before we look at the eggs, let me explain a couple things. I got this top on here. You really want to get a top with your sous vide because as the water heats up, it evaporates and it takes a lot longer for the water to get to the temperature that you want it at. It does take a little while for the water to heat up, but I mean, what else are you going to do? You got to wait for the water to heat up, right? After 20 minutes, I took the eggs, put them in the ice bath. Now they stopped cooking. We're going to open up this egg. Here's the egg before I cut into it, and now I'm gonna chop it up and see what that yolk looks like. I'm gonna use my butcher knife for this because it's cool. Look at that, perfect hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna toss some seasoning salt on it. Tiny bit of fresh ground pepper. And now my favorite part, I get to eat it. That is one perfect hard-boiled egg. Come on now. I might crack open like 3 more of these bad boys. That's it, YouTubeverse. That's how you make the perfect hard-boiled egg. Sous vide machine. This particular machine will be in the description below. You can click on the link. It's affiliated. You buy it. I might get a tiny little kickback from it. Till next time, I'm Matt Weiner. You're in the Weiner Diner.
The Wonder Diner.